What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking in. Before we get into this dope review, my only question is, how did y'all do on the Chunky Dunky SBs? It was a quick L for me on the Sneakers app as I thought, but I still got a whole bunch of local skate shops that I did raffles for. We'll wait till Saturday and see what happens, but if I lose, I may just pay that resale. But enough of the bad news. Let's get into the good news. Yes, sir. The Jordan 13 Flints are back, and they dropped this Saturday, so that makes this an early review. Actually had these in here since Saturday, but you know it's Memorial Weekend. We got to remember the people who fought for our country, so I held back and decided to put the video out today. As we know, these are one of the Jordans that we were waiting for the retro. We seen the GOATs wear them. My guy Kobe, man, R.I.P., man. Also, another GOAT. Look at Drake looking like he know how to ball. But these first released in 1998. And then we got them again in 2005. Then we got them again in 2010. The problem with the 2010 pair, they were trash.
I just can't give you a whole spiel. I don't even know where you're sitting at.
Those didn't have the 3M as we have on the ones that dropped this Saturday. And the 3M is a big part of the Jordan 13. The 2010 pair didn't have that 3M on it, and that kind of threw us for a loop. I remember selling my 2010 pair on eBay for maybe like $150, and I remember the buyer being like super hype, and I didn't understand why he was super hype. That's 2012 maybe. Fast forward to 2020, and we just getting them back. So I'm not gonna lie, a couple of them years I was a little nervous. Like, I don't care if they didn't have the 3M, we may not even get these back. But rest assured, we got them back. A lot of people, number one question about this sneaker is why they called the Flints. Duh, Jordan's from Michigan. No, Jordan actually was born where I was born, Brooklyn, New York, but he grew up in North Carolina. They called the Flints because of the Flint gray. Posted all through the sneaker. So that was the number one question that I was happy to answer for you guys. Flint gray, that's why they called the Flint 13s. These have to be one of my favorite Jordan 13s. One of them. Because my number one favorite Jordan 13 is games. This has to be my favorite Jordan 13. I usually really like only the BRED colorway in most of my Jordans because the red and black is so symbolic to the Chicago Bulls jerseys. But with the 13 silhouette, I like that he got games better.
Yo. Yeah. Shut up. These are the new Jordans.
That's it, huh? Yeah, how much these cost, man?
$139, $150 with tax.
There go my trio right there. 1, 2, and 3. In the comment section below, let me know which one of your Jordan 13s are better. Actually, put these in order. Which one do y'all rather? 1, 2, and 3. Me, it would have to be the He Got Games, then the Flints, then our iconic BREDs. But let me know what y'all feel like in that comment section below. And speaking of comment section below, it's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. Me, it's finally getting nice outside. Corona's hopefully going away. So I decided to un-DS my Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago's. on this sneaker, especially around the toe box. You see it creasing ASAP. But that's what Jordan 1s do. It give your Jordan 1 character, give your Jordan 1 flavors. These came out maybe, I want to say 3 months ago. Yeah, All-Star Weekend these came out. I love the UNC to Chicago colorway with the black blocking opposed to the ones that came out before these ones. I mean, I never understood why the men got the patent leather, but the women got the ones I have on foot. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, let's get into this early review. Unboxing time. Boom. I'm going to tell y'all a secret. Anytime you see this classic platinum Jordan box with the little Jordan man draped in the middle, 9 times out of 10, I even want to say 9.5 times out of 10, it's a classic dope sneaker in this box. So, opening this classic box, but before we do that, let's read the colorway. So the colorway reads Navy University Blue. It doesn't say anything about Flint, but it's Flint gray. Trust me, guys. Y'all trust me, right? Okay. Opening the lid. Got your classic white tissue paper that feels wet. This is a classic tissue. The tissuing now is usually more wax paper or plasticky. And here we have it. And let's start with your left shoe. Give y'all a 360 view of the 13 silhouette. I mean, if you've seen it once, you've seen it all. But this colorway here is top notch. So as you can see, the Jordan 13 was designed after the Black Panther.
The real question is, what are those? What?
No, not that Black Panther, but a Black Panther. As we know, one of Jordan's nicknames is the Black Cat. So Tinker Hatfield decided to go with the Black Panther look for the Jordan 13. And as you start here, that's supposed to symbolize the Panther's eyes. As you know, the Black Panther eyes are like, goes from green to that nice orange. In that comment section below, let me know if you ever take the plastic off this part. None of my Jordan 13s, I never take the plastic off. It's not like that I don't want to. I just never did it. Starting with the toe box here. You have your nice white toe box. I mean, you know, hard brushed leather. We're not really looking for the tumbleness as if it's a Jordan 1. The famous Jordan tab right here. Jordan 13s made this classic right here at the bottom of your tongue. Your shoestrings, regular white. These doesn't come with an extra pair of shoelaces. Jordan 13 never did. But I just remember the iconicness of how skinny these shoestrings was when I first brought my first pair of Jordan 13s. The eyelids is covered, so you can't really see what's holding the sneaker unless you pull it back. Regular white shoestrings. Leather tongue. The top of your tongue got your UNC Chicago Jordan man in the UNC colorway. And you see the tumbleness all on the tongue. We finally got that 3M back, baby. The 3M is back on the Jordan 13s. Amen to that. And that's in your nice blue colorway, navy blue as the box reads. Your Black Panther eyelid there. Come around, the back tab mostly has the Flint gray look. But your sock line is soft and a nice, I don't want to say velour or mesh, but a nice cushion for your ankle support system there. Come around the inside, same old thing. It's just that the navy blue part of the Black Panther design here is a little more risen here, so your gray is seen a lot more on the insole than it is on the outsole. Your bottom outsole has your white tabs there wherever the Flint gray is not showing. Let me get to the bottom. As you can see, if you just look here and you imagine a Black Panther, you already know this is like the paw of a Black Panther. You come further up, and they go the back paws of the Black Panther. So you have your Black Panther front paws here, and your back paws there. Your bottom has a nice blue UNC Jordan translucent bubble. Super dope, man. I like whenever a sneaker decides to put a lot of the technology and design on the bottom as well as the top. I mean, this is an iconic shoe. If you're a sneakerhead or even just a Jordan head, this is one of the sneakers you must have in your sneaker collection. Will they sell out on Sneakers app? Yes, they will sell out. Real fast at that. But will they sell out overall? I kind of doubt it. Unless you have a live store that's open in your city, I think you'll be able to get these in restocks from time to come. We've seen the Jordan 5s, Fire Reds. We've seen the Jordan 6s. You still can get these sneakers. It's no live store, so these online shops are going to restock by time to time. But if I was you, I would get my hands on these and make sure I secure the pair this Saturday. I wish you guys all the best, man, on securing this pair. The Chunky Donkeys, man. We knew what it was going to be like with them, and it was exactly that way. Like I told you, I got a few skate shop raffles I'm in. I got till Saturday. If I don't win them, I'm going to pay the resale. Not only because I want the sneaker so bad, because I want to give you guys a review for you guys to decide if y'all want to pay the resale or trade with your local Facebook groups and things of that nature. So in overall, my high for this sneaker is that 3M is finally back. It's not like the 2010 version we got. I see no factory flaws in these sneakers. They're crisp. I don't see no glue stains. So the factory flaws is none there. That's also a plus for me. The only thing I wish is that Jordan kept it all the way iconic. I mean 100% iconic. And gave us that Jordan card with the sneakers on it. If he would have did that, this really would have brought back history. Overall, 10 out of 10 for me, man. This was a sneaker I had to get. Happy to get exclusive access. Got them early. Shout out to the Last Dance documentary. I'm your boy C-Notes, man. Thanks for checking out. If you haven't, hit subscribe there, man. Light this up. I told y'all if I get 25 likes on my Travis Scott Jordan 1 finally buying my sneaker grail video, that I would give y'all the review for the Travis Scott dunks that I have sitting here. We almost there. 25 likes and I'll do that. But get this video to 10 likes and I'll definitely get that video to y'all ASAP, man. Thanks for all the support, man. Shout out to all the shoe tubers out there. Keep doing your thing, man. Hope everybody win. Everybody get rich.